So
You want to go over how to join and submit because it's new?
sure.
Okay, so
Let's
why don't you
do
stop
that.
sharing your screen for a second? Okay, I'm going to quickly share my screen just so we can go through this. And some of this is a little new to George too, because we kind of when we lost HACC and DevPost, we got a little creative, me and the ETS team, and I reviewed it with George and a few others, but it's a work in progress, as you know. So the HACC has a registration link, and all the details are here of the changes. There are 2 forms that have to be completed. The individual one, that's where you accept the terms of the, I agree to follow the code and follow the rules process. After you finish that, you then, if you're a minor, it'll ask you to fill out the parent permission form. And then to register as a team, and I fixed this while we were online. I left a holder for us for the GitHub repository, but it's no longer required. So this is where you fill this out. You describe your project. It has the correct challenge choices now. And this is where you put your teammates. Please use the same email address that they registered, used to register, so that I know that that person is in compliance. And then the other thing that's really going to be important is, and this is, go back here more. This form is also here on this screen right there. So when you reach the point, it's not going to be buried and hidden somewhere or secret. Oh, sorry, I opened the wrong form. Excuse me while I hang on, I'm gonna stop sharing while I open the correct form. One moment, forgive me. Too many forms. Second. Okay, let's try this again. So there's a form called HACC 2023 project submission. It explains to you things. Obviously GitHub is, I don't know what else you use it for. If you're using Salesforce or one of the low code, no code, I don't know if you even need GitHub. I'll let George answer that. You need to use the email address that fills in automatically, your team name, your team captain's name, team name. That's all I care about. I don't care what you called your application. I want your team name, because that's how I'm matching things together. What your solution does, how it was built, and there are subsections. So if you pick that you did a low code, no code, you're going to be took along a different path than if you do a coded solution. So this is what you fill out. Again, the short answer for the GitHub repository, you'll have that by then. George will supply that to you on Slack, I guess, George?
Yeah, we do that. And invites will go out from.
You want me to make this not required?
Yeah.
Should I not make this required?
Oh, for submission? Actually, for submission, I think it is required.
Okay.
That's fine.
So anyway, so that this is the form you'll be looking for. And the important part is it's right here. Okay. This is to register as a team, and this is to register once you have a team and you built something and you want to submit it for technical review. That's the form right there. All right. All right, that's all I had, George. Anything else?
Right. Yeah. I don't have anything else. I did see in the chat that Jules over at Microsoft offered to join the Slack channel to join the conversation on the Azure stack. And if you've never done any sort of deployment or web application deployment before, I definitely check that out. That's awesome. I suggest learning from them. I mean, when else are you gonna? How often are you gonna have direct interface with somebody at Microsoft?
Yeah.
And if you're a professional and maybe just interested in Azure, I am, but I'm afraid I don't have time to join. But I would totally love to sit in and check that out too.
Yeah, you have 4 weeks worth of dedicated Google, Salesforce, Microsoft, eWorld people who are here to help you and guide you. You will see I have our pitch presenter works for Microsoft. They met, he got impacted by the various, he gained confidence from the challenge spot, from the hackathon. As you heard earlier today, one of the Tyler people, started out as an intern at Tyler, Hawaii, and now is working with them. And he met them through the HACC. So this is a great opportunity to meet people in professions that you want. So don't be shy. Go talk to them on their channels. Don't be shy. And that's the same with the challenge sponsors. These are types of people who are also looking for potential employees down the line. So go talk to them. Be interactive. Be out there. So anyway, that's enough of that. I'll stop there, particularly since it's 4 o'clock and we want to let you get into the breakout rooms. Thank you, George.
Cool. Thank you, everyone. Good luck.
Okay, thank you again, George. That was great.